Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zach bringing you guys another trade recap. It is currently July 28th. We took one loss today, as you guys can see right here. Price action just wasn't the best. You can see all this is pretty much chop on the markets. It is a no news Monday, but we are down 180 on 6 accounts now, so we are down a total of $1,080. This trade wasn't the best, wasn't the worst. Should have been more patient. I expected this to at least dump to here and ES to dump to these lows here and fill this new week opening gap that we created. But it is what it is. Price action was just all choppy. I should have stayed away, should have been more patient. This wasn't the worst setup, like I said, but it wasn't the best. Overall, we were just really bearish coming into market open. As you guys can see on the 30-minute, we were just selling off here. So I wanted to see this whole new week opening gap get filled, because typically that's usually what happens when I see new week opening gaps, that you want to get filled and then we reverse. So that's what I wanted to see today. Off market open, we came up, manipulated up into this 5-minute fair value gap that is in premium of this range here. It's above equilibrium, it is in premium. Then I saw a 1-minute SMT right here. I was just stuck on the lower time frames, honestly. Like this 1-minute SMT, it is an SMT there, but it's a 1 minute, like I said. And then also this 1-minute inversion. So my only entry model confluences on this was a 1-minute SMT, 1-minute inversion. Not enough confluences. Should have been more patient, should have waited for a higher time frame fair value gap, like a 5-minute, and there's just nothing today. Today should have been a no trading day. Should have definitely not taken any trades today. There's nothing, as you guys can see. This is all chop back and forth. But it is what it is. We took a loss. We entered as soon as we got that 1 minute right here, that inversion fair value gap. Got filled down here. Stops were above here. Saw no profit. Went straight to stop loss and stopped us out. So very unfortunate day. Down 180 on 6 accounts. And yeah, it is what it is. Complete transparency. It is Monday, so we are going to try to make this back throughout the week. But our accounts are still not in a bad position. We're up $500 on each account, so we're still in a great position on these accounts. And then we have 2 accounts that are down 180 now, that they were fresh funded, but it is what it is. It happens, losses happen, but it's about how we bounce back from this, and let's continue to improve every single day. And that's all trading is about. Take losses, step away from the markets, know not to go on tilt. A lot of people take this loss and want to make the money back. They'd see this next 1 minute right here, get inverse right here, take shorts right here, and get stopped out right away. I mean, maybe this would have hit TP if they had their TP here, but if they had their TP here and here, they would have been stopped out. And that's what a lot of traders would do. They'd rush into another trade, not look at the higher time frame, step away from the markets. But that is what's going to bring me to profitability over the long run, is just following my rules. And my rules were there: fair value gap, SMT, inversion fair value gap. I would take this again, but should have just been on the higher time frame, because everything was a 1 minute confluence. If I saw a 2 minute or 3 minute or 4 minute, even 5 minute, it would have been higher confluences. But there was just no 5-minute fair value gaps. There was no 3 minute. There was no 2. There was just no fair value gaps presented after market open. You can see market opens right here. All there was this single 1 minute fair value gap, and it got inverse. So I expected these lows at least, and it just did not happen. But it is what it is. That's going to be it for this trade recap. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Apex is running a 90% discount. I believe today is their last day. Let's check. So if it is today, make sure you guys use code ZACH for 90% off. So this video is posted. It'll be like a day and 12 hours. So go cop up accounts. Accounts are only $20 right now, so it's definitely the best time to buy accounts. But without further ado, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's trade recap. Peace out, y'all.